Hey there, welcome to this explainer. Today we're seeing how a standard textbook becomes a futuristic survival toolkit.
Ninth grade is a huge leap. So how do we actually prep these kids for a totally unpredictable future? The goal? They absolutely need sharp reasoning skills to navigate some incredibly complex social realities. Say goodbye to rote memorization. Tomorrow's challenges are all about real-world problem solving and getting hands-on. Step 1, we gotta get students to actively question things, make predictions, and really analyze raw info. The Think It Over feature is just brilliant. It sparks deep curiosity right out of the gate. By using open-ended questions, they quickly learn that science and honestly life is a process, not just rigid facts. But curiosity alone isn't enough. Next up, we have to forge actual critical thinkers with a scientific temper. Enter the Think as a Scientist tool. It literally empowers them to connect theory right to reality. By tweaking experiments, students learn logical reasoning and figure out how to push those scientific boundaries themselves.
Plus, science is never finished. This reminds them researchers are out there right now, exploring the unknown. How does theory survive the real world, though? We absolutely must bridge that gap between science and society. The Bridging Science and Society sections show how these concepts tackle actual critical global challenges. Throw in some what-if scenarios, and suddenly they're grappling with tomorrow's heavy ethical responsibilities. To survive tomorrow, ninth graders have to master the digital age today. Here's the textbook's approach. It embeds QR codes right into units, instantly unlocking a massive universe of curated online materials. Better yet, it acts like a shield, teaching vital cybersecurity rules to fiercely protect their digital lives. So, what's the ultimate outcome here? A highly adaptable, future-ready student who's equipped for pretty much anything. With sections like Revise, Reflect, Refine, they're constantly checking their own reasoning and tracking their resilience. You see, it's not just a book. It's a literal launchpad for becoming a responsible global citizen. Armed with this toolkit, they are officially ready. So what will your students explore next?